What's up guys? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how I get the tire shine on my tires without getting it all over the wheel. I'm not sure if you've ever had that issue or not, but it's a pain when you go to spray your tire shine all over your tire and it sprays all over your wheel and you try to wipe it all off your wheel and it's just greasy and slimy. It just makes a mess. But I have a slick way that will cost you absolutely nothing to keep that splatter from getting all over your wheel when you spray that tire shine on. So first of all, let's get to it. Let's clean this wheel and tire, and we'll turn this into this. First, what we're going to do is we're going to wash the whole wheel down with water and take your soap of choice. Mine happens to be Armor All, Wash and Wax Plus Protect. Excellent product. We'll go ahead and wipe the whole wheel down, soap it up, clean it real good. There's full brake dust, as you can see. Scrub the tire down with the tire brush. And then once we got that all cleaned up, we'll go ahead and spray all that soap and all that grime right off of there. I'll grab my leaf blower and I'll go ahead and blow everything off, get as much water as I can off. And once I have a good, clean, dry wheel, find yourself a big flat piece of cardboard, measure the diameter of your wheel, whatever it may be, 15, 16, 17, 18 inch. Some of you guys and gals out there with the 20 inch, 22s, you might need a bigger piece of cardboard and cut it out. And this is what you have. Your very own tire shine guard. I know they sell these, they make plastic versions, and I'm sure they work really well. I just happen to have a lot of cardboard laying around and thought to myself, hey, that may work, and it does, it works great. All you have to do is hold it up just like this over your wheel. It's pretty self-explanatory. And you just spray all the way around, and it keeps it from getting all over your wheel. So there you have it. You can put your tire shine on your tire without getting it all over your wheel and making a slimy, sticky mess. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See if that works. Try to do this in between cars. Here comes a car. A stupid duck. Pain in the butt. This is ridiculous.